Today, I am reviewing the UNI T UT25CL handheld cable locator. This is a two-piece kit with a transmitter and a receiver that helps you map wire paths in walls, ceilings, and underground runs, find the correct circuit breaker or fuse, and diagnose short and open faults on low-voltage lines. Let me start with what comes in the case. You get the transmitter, the receiver, a pair of double inline test leads in red and black, a pair of crocodile clips, a pen-style probe set, an alternating current polarity plug lead, an auxiliary grounding nail, manuals and a warranty card, and alkaline batteries for both units. The carry case keeps everything tidy for site work. The receiver is the tool you will hold most of the time. It has a clear backlit display and a built-in flashlight for dark panels and crawl spaces. A key feature is non-contact verification. That means the receiver can tell you when a cable is energized without you touching bare conductors. It also lets you follow the route of a live cable through a wall or floor by moving the sensor and watching the screen and the signal bar. The transmitter is the signal source. You connect it to the cable under test with the included leads or clips. There are 3 levels of adjustable signal strength. The lower levels help avoid false positives from nearby lines, while the higher level is useful for long runs or deeper burial. You can also pick from 8 coded signal channels. That is helpful in multi-core cables or in buildings where several technicians are tracing at the same time. One receiver can recognize up to 8 different transmitters by code. The transmitter also measures voltage. It can read both alternating current and direct current, typically from about 8 volts up to 480 volts at 50 or 60 hertz. It indicates direct current polarity and includes an extra low voltage indicator. This is useful when you are unsure whether a pair of wires is actually carrying power or only a signal. Sensitivity on the receiver can be automatic or manual. In automatic mode, the unit chooses a comfortable level for you. In manual mode, you can fine-tune sensitivity to lock onto a single target, which is important when cables run close together and you only want one of them. The display gives you a clear signal level and a code confirmation so you know you are tracing the correct transmitter. Typical jobs for the UNI T UT25CL include mapping the path of a cable behind plasterboard, verifying the route of a buried low-voltage line in the yard, identifying the correct breaker or fuse from a crowded panel, and locating short faults or open breaks on low-voltage circuits. The kit is sized well for field use, with the transmitter around 189 by 96 by 48 millimeters and the receiver around 226 by 68 by 38 millimeters. Safety matters. Whenever possible, de-energize the circuit and use protective equipment. Follow your local electrical standards, and if you are not qualified for mains work, ask a licensed professional.